28 miles an hour.
Oh my God. Tell me, just tell me how you live it, how you get it, how you live it, how you get it.
All right, y'all, so today we're going to be doing a comparison video. We're going to compare a bike that's over $1,000, which is my Himiway Criuser, to a bike that's under $1,000, which is my Ecotric 20-inch. And both of these bikes are fat tire bikes. The first thing we're going to talk about when we talk about the difference of these two bikes is the wheels, and the suspension. So this bike, which is about $850, ranges from $850 to $900, it has 20-inch wheels, but it does not have any suspension on the front or the back. So no suspension at all, which does make for a bumpy ride at times. So I think the lack of suspension and how small the wheels are, this makes this bike more of a commuter bike and not like an off-road bike or anything like that. The Himiway has 28-inch wheels. So if you can see the tire difference here between 28 and 20 inches, what that does is, well, in my experience, that makes for a smoother ride. So you can go over crevices, you can go ride on gravel or anything like that, and you will barely feel any type of bump or any type of jerk as you're riding. And it does have front suspension, and this front suspension is adjustable. So you can use this to adjust exactly how much suspension that you get. Another thing I want to talk about is the fact that this Ecotric folds. It's a folding bike. Now, one thing about the folding bike that I don't like though is you can see that it's on a very vertical pole here. So if you look at this pole here, it's kind of straight up and down. So that helps the bike fold, and that makes your handlebar adjustable up and down. So that means the handlebar can be adjusted up or down. It can adjust up and down, but it can't rotate to be closer to you or further away from you. Now also, this pole makes for really sharp turns. So when you turn, you have to be careful because the turn, because it's on such a vertical pole, the turn can be very sharp. So the one time I did fall off this bike, I was riding with one hand just really briefly to talk to somebody, and just because it's on this pole, I was turning gradually, and it just really just turned. So if you see, so I was kind of gradually trying to turn, and it quickly just spent off like that, and then I fell off the bike. But that's because with the folding bikes, it's on such a vertical pole here. So that's my issue with all folding bikes, but I understand why they have to do it like that, because that's how you make it fold, right? Now this bike, if you can see, is not as vertical of a pole. It's diagonal, right? So that helps you make more gradual turns, especially with a bigger wheel. So if I'm turning on this bike, I can turn on this bike with one hand. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can do it, and you'll still feel like you have control of the bike, because it's not going to turn so briefly. It's not going to turn so swiftly, and so it makes for more gradual turns. So that's my one thing I like about the Criuser that I don't like about the Ecotric and any other folding bike, really. You really have to be careful with the turns. Alright, so now let's compare the batteries between these two bikes. This battery has a 36 volt 12 amp hour battery, and this bike has a 48 volt 17.5 amp hour battery. So this bike lets you go a maximum of 25 miles per charge. This bike will let you go around 60 miles per charge. Let's also compare the features. The Himiway comes with an LCD display that lets you know how fast you're going, your average speed, your maximum speed, all of your pedal assist modes, and many other features. This bike doesn't have a display, lets you change modes basically. This bike does come with a Velos seat, which is supposed to relieve pressure. This bike came with your standard seat, so I had to replace it with a seat that I was more comfortable with. For dudes with noseless. Also, the Himiway bike has front and rear lights, and the Ecotric does not. And speed wise, the Himiway can go a maximum of 28 miles an hour. The Ecotric can go a maximum of 20 miles per hour, but electric only more like 18 miles per hour. Electric only on the Himiway more like 27 miles per hour, but we're going to test that out. Both of these bikes have 7 speeds. Himiway have 5 pedal assist modes. The Ecotric has 3 pedal assist modes. Right, so me and my bro Will gonna test out the speed of these two bikes so you can kind of see what 27, 28 miles per hour looks like compared to 20 miles per hour. We may go off-road a little bit because both of these tires are fat tire bikes. But see if there's any difference in off-road. And it's a little muddy, it's a little rainy today, so. We're both fully charged here. Now he weighs quite a bit heavier than me. So I wanted him to get on the Himiway where I'm on the Ecotric to make it, to give the Ecotric somewhat of an advantage here. So when I count to 3, we're gonna go throttle only. We both at the line, all right? Get an idea. From here to the end of that white truck. All right, ready, set, go. So that's the speed difference between a Himiway and a Ecotric 20-inch fat tire bike. Jesus. My little brother brought his Lectric XP. So we're about to race the Himiway Criuser, the Lectric XP, and my Ecotric 20-inch fat tire bike, throttle only. Now my little bro, I think is the heaviest of the 3. So we put him on the Himiway just to see if it'll give him a benefit here. Right there. All right, so we're gonna race here. Now my next bike review, I'll be reviewing this I'll be comparing this Himiway Criuser to this Lectric XP. Okay, that'll be my next bike comparison review. Ready, set, go. $20 miles an hour? Okay.
Not really a question.
What'd you say?
I think it's the tires, though, if I'm just being honest.
Really?
Yeah.
You think the tires make it faster?
Well, yeah, it's just the science of it, man. So it's a larger diameter, so you just think about it in terms of revolutions. That's what makes the bike go fast. So this one turns once, it goes further than either one of these two does if it turns once. So the bigger tires are going to be faster more often than not.
Gotcha. All right, let's race back.
Race back.
Go. Himiway is killing. I'm on the Ecotric. That's electric here. So the Ecotric goes faster than I thought it does. Okay, so I had my little brother, who's the owner of this Lectric XP, and my boy Will, who's kind of new to the whole e-bike thing. So I want y'all to tell me, y'all rode the Lectric XP and the Himiway. And you rode the Ecotric too. You rode the Ecotric too. What is y'all feedback on the Himiway as compared to the Lectric XP and the Ecotric? Like, what do y'all think the differences are between each bike?
For me, I think the biggest difference is the tire diameter. Okay. That's for me the biggest difference. That's going to make this is fast. This is the fastest bike. It's not even close. But also I noticed being a taller guy, just when I get off and onto the bike, this I notice. When I'm trying to get off versus all this extra space here. Gotcha. Feels a little bit more free. I feel like this is, if you wanted to do tricks and have some fun, you could do it on bikes with smaller wheels. This one is just if you want to go, or if you're on a mountain and you just want to be as fast as possible. I think this would be a superior bike, but that's my take.
So what you like about the Himiway is the wheel difference.
Yeah, good pros and cons with the wheel difference, but I think the overall it's a pro, and because it's so much faster and it's simple, and you can really haul it. There's no question how much faster it is.
Okay. What's your what do you think of the difference between each bike here?
Yeah, same thing. It's pretty much in line with Junior. I rode the Lectric and the Ecotric, and it seemed like the two bikes with the smaller wheels, they were a little bit more maneuverable. You know, they felt a little bit more maneuverable. There was more play in the wheel. Turning wise, the sharper, you know, but that could be a gift and a curse.
Yeah. I was telling them that's how I fell off my bike. It's because the turn was so sharp. I was doing something with one hand. I think I was gesturing, and the turn quickly went from here to here.
Yeah, so you really have to keep an eye on. You know, you have to keep an eye on it. You can't like. I would be leery of riding one hand. But hands down, the Himiway with the front suspension and the bigger tires. And the bike, the frame, just the frame overall, it's a traditional bike frame. It seems like, you know, it's more relatable to a regular bike, and then it's faster, you know, with the bigger tire.
In your first e-bike ride?
Alright, man, shit, I want to buy the one that you got, man. Hey, I made you an offer, man. Do that video and I'll buy it from you, bro. I like active stuff, man. You know what I mean?
Now you ride motorcycles, so this doesn't seem too slow for you?
Nah, man, look at this. Oh, snap. Damn. Oh, I ran him over. You got ran over, bro. You see him?
Alright, going off-road here, comparing the Ecotric that I'm on to the Himiway Cruiser. And it's been raining. It's been raining. So we're gonna see how our bikes deal with mud here. Okay. Yeah, so my bike is dragging a bit. My bike is dragging a bit in the mud. I don't know if that's because of the traction or the size of the wheel. And because it doesn't have suspension, you can feel everything as you're going through the trail here. How does the Himiway feel? Smooth? Brake, suspension is okay. How are you feeling on the bumps? Really? Yeah, so like we just had a grassy hill here and I kind of got stopped. But he just went right through it. So I guess that's the benefit.
Bigger tires.
Bigger tires.
Bigger motor.
Yeah.
Faster bike.
I get it. All right, so you've ridden the Himiway Cruiser and you've ridden the Ecotric 20-inch fat tire bike. Now, the Ecotric is I think it's 830 to 850. The Himiway is $15.99. Can you see why one bike is $15.99 and the other is $830?
Oh yeah, I mean there's definitely big differences. You know, the price definitely reflects, I don't want to say quality, but what you get out of the bike. This is more of a traditional, seems like more of a traditional mountain bike, and you know, it has the extra fork and the bigger tire. And I think it's actually a bigger motor, so it makes it faster. And the terrain that you can go over is definitely a little bit. You can get in hairier positions with this mountain bike as opposed to this. And also because of the riding posture. This bike, the thing of it, it's more of a cruiser bike. To me, you know, it's because it's the posture is upright, and the steering, you know, with the steering, it gets kind of because it's upright like this, and the steering wheel is a little bit more narrow. You got to be careful on sharp turns because you could, I mean, if you're not paying attention, you can hurt
yourself. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you can definitely hurt yourself. Versus this has a traditional posture, more of an aggressive leaned over stance to the point where your weight's up over that shock, and you're able to grip the road a little bit better with this bike.
Okay.
Plus, it's faster. Both bikes, yeah. This is. I mean, you're definitely getting what you pay for.
Getting what you pay for.
Yeah.
All right. So here's the question: if you had the choice, would you pay $830 for this Ecotric or $1,599 for this Himiway?
Well, see, now I'm spoiled, man, because I have mountain bikes at the house, and you know, after riding both of them, I think, you know, I definitely like both of them. But if I had to choose between both of them, it's going to be this bike.
Really? So you would spend more money for this Himiway?
I'd spend the $1,500 or $1,600 or whatever the sticker price is for this, the Himiway, just because it's a faster throttle response. A little bit, it's faster. It has a beefier front, beefier tire setup, and then that front fork makes, you know, definitely makes for being able to grip the bumps and going over off road like we did. You know, you can definitely handle the off road situations much easier.
Gotcha. All right, well that's my brother's Will's review of both bikes here. Next time we're going to be reviewing the Lectric XP. Comment below on if you had the choice, would you spend around $850 for the Ecotric 20-inch or $1,599 for the Himiway? Comment below, let us know. Hey, thanks bro Will for being in the video.
Thank you.
See y'all in the next one.
Take it easy.
Peace.